beautiful, heart-centered, wholehearted, vulnerable and inspiring, and walking her talk.
She creates a space for people to really nurture and nourish their heart through the work.
Robbi offers something truly unique. I've been to many workshops over my career and in my life, and I always keep on coming back to Robbi's work.
Dynamic, truthful, heartfelt, and a great role model for living what is true.
Yeah, well, I came in wanting some clarity around a project that I've been wanting to do for some time, and I've definitely got that today.
And yeah, very loving person. She makes everybody feel loved. It gives me strength to go and do the work that I do.
It's beautiful hard work, and she is so humble and caring and sharing. And again, the storytelling is beautiful, so I think, yeah, people will love it.
I've known her for a long time, and she really just brings out the best in people.